vibrations. Okay, so let's get started. First thing that you can do to raise your vibration is to meditate. Meditation is very simple and easy technique for all beginners to start with. Okay, so in the meditation state you can easily calm down your mind for 5 to 10 minutes. So if you're a beginner and you are just starting your law of attraction journey, you can always try to meditate in the morning between 5 to 7 a.m. So at that particular time you can easily concentrate on yourself and your inner world. So it is very easy for you to meditate on this time, as the people around you are also in deep sleep, and you will get a time to focus on yourself and on your inner silence. So try to meditate in the morning. So if you are not able to meditate in the morning, and if you have decided some other time in the day, I would recommend you to, I would suggest you to use some meditation music. There are so many meditation music on the YouTube. You can get, or you can choose any one from them in which you can feel calm and you can feel good vibrations. So you can just scroll down the all the musics that are available on the YouTube, and whichever suits you, you can use those meditation musics for meditating daily for 10 minutes, for 20 minutes, whatever time you have decided it for. Then second suggestion for calming your mind and raising your vibration is to use affirmations. So affirmation is a very nice tool to raise your vibrations instantly. So there are many different affirmations customized for particular area of focus. For example, some affirmations are customized to increase your wealth and abundance. Some affirmations are there to attract your soulmate, to attract love life, to improve your love life and relationships. Then some of them are just for your health, so you can easily choose from them whatever your area of focus is, and you can just get started with those affirmations. Best time to listen to these affirmations are in the night just before you sleep, and once you get up. Before starting any physical activity, you can just listen to them for 5 to 10 minutes. You can choose any affirmation, and you can just listen to it with your headphones, and then you can easily concentrate more on those affirmations. For first few days you will just listen to them, but after some days you will be able to connect with some of those vibrations and some of those affirmation directly in terms of energy and in terms of raising your vibrations. This is the second method which you can use to raise your vibration. There's one more method in which you can make the cards, or you can also use your sticky notes, in which you can write down customized affirmation for your particular manifestation. This is the most effective method that I have used for myself. So for example, if you are not feeling good, or if you are not feeling so uplifted in any day, any days, so you can always use those cards to just go through that cards and just read out loud, and then you can easily align with your positive vibe, so that you can always try with the cards. If you are not able to make, if you don't want to take such effort to write down everything that you have, you can always write down your manifestation, or always write down your affirmation, customize affirmation into your book, and every single day whenever you are feeling low, you can go back to that particular notebook or that particular page and just start reading it out loud. If you are not comfortable reading anything, so here's a very effective method. This is just for you to raise the vibration. The things that you love, the things that you feel are your hobbies, start doing that. It is not necessary to meditate, it is necessary to be in that high vibrational frequency every time, and that you can attract with any hobby or with anything that you feel or that makes you feel happy. So you can always try to have your own time and to use that time for your happiness and for yourself only. So initially you will rewire your brain to think positive and to raise your vibrations towards positive side rather than negative side. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I'll see you in next video. Please do share and also like my video if you like it. If you have any suggestion, you can always mention it in the comment box. Till that time, much love. Peace.